Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Overfill Protection Nut on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The Overfill Protection Nut is part of the dishwasher's float assembly. The float raises and lowers with the water level of the dishwasher. The float triggers the float switch to prevent the dishwasher from overfilling with water. If the float assembly fails, the dishwasher may not properly sense the water level inside the dishwasher, which can cause the dishwasher not to fill with water properly. If you need a new Overfill Protection Nut for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, we'll need to remove the access panel, which is held in place by these two retainers. The retainers are locked when they are oriented vertically. Using a flathead screwdriver, turn them a quarter turn to the left, releasing the locking mechanism. Now gently pull forward on the panel to remove the retainer. Pull the access panel forward gently, being careful not to rip the insulation. The lower portion of the float seats in the retainer on the float housing. To access it, pinch the locking tabs together and flip the door open. Now, gently bend the float up and over the retaining tab. Then, open the dishwasher's door. Pull the bottom dish rack forward and lift it up and out. With access to the inside of the dishwasher, lift the float up and out. Then, remove the Overfill Protection Nut using an adjustable wrench. If you need to purchase a new Overfill Protection Nut, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the Overfill Protection Nut to the threading on the float housing and tighten using an adjustable wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten, as doing so can damage the float assembly. Then, align the float to the retaining slot on the base of the dishwasher's housing and press into place. Ensure the lower portion of the float is seated on this side of the retainer on the housing. Then, close the housing door. Now, insert the access panel at an angle. Then, align the notches on the access panel to the slots on the frame and press into place. Align the access panel retainers to the notches on the access panel so that they are oriented horizontally in the unlocked position. Finally, turn them to the right so that they are orientated vertically, securing the access panel in place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.